Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Unarc.dll and Isdone.dll errors on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. When you are installing games you getting this error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to disable third-party antivirus software. If you have installed a third-party antivirus software like Avast antivirus, then you just need to temporarily disable it guys. To do this, click on this system tray and in here you can able to see third-party antivirus. Just right click on the icon and you will see the option to disable that antivirus temporarily. Just do it. After disabling the antivirus, you just need to install the games and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to replace isdone.dll and uarc.dll. To do this, you just need to open a browser, search DLL files download, select the first link. In search, you just need to type isdone.dll, press enter, and you will get the DLL file. Just right click on it and select open link in new tab, and again in here search unarc.dll, press enter. Just select this unarc.dll file, just scroll down, select the download option and it will start downloading, and go back to isdone.dll and scroll down and download the latest version over here. Select the download option and download it, and it will start downloading as well. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Just extract both files over here. Just drag this DLL file to this downloads page. Now you just need to extract the UNARC. Drag this DLL file to downloads. And now copy this both DLL file. Just copy it. After copying it, go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, system 32 folder. Just double click on it. Right click on the blank area and paste it. Select do this for all current items and select continue. After pasting it, you will get replace the file. Then you just need to do it guys. After that, go back to Windows and find SYSWOW64 folder, double click on it. Just right click on the blank area and paste it. Same thing, continue. If you get replace the file in the destination, then you just need to do that. To doing this, just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select under administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these both commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. These both commands will register this DLL files. Just copy the same command as well. After finishing both commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can install the games and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select system and security. In here you just need to select the system. Now you can able to see advanced system settings option. Just click on it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And now in this drive list, select the C drive and then select a custom size. Now check my video description for these installer size and maximum size values. Now in about you can able to see your installed RAM over here. In my case I have 8 GB RAM installed in my PC. After knowing that, we just need to go back to this page and copy and paste depends on your RAM, guys. In my case, I have 8 GB, so I'm copying this value, copy and paste it in installer size, and maximum size. Same thing, depends on your RAM. Copy and paste it in maximum size. After that, select the set option. So after selecting that, you can able to see the values under pegging file size. Select the OK option and select OK. Select apply and OK. Select the OK option. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can install the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.